Hi, this is the second part of this simple chair modeling. Now we're gonna model the seat and the legs. Please watch the first part where we modeled this top part here. So now I will select this shape. First I need to increase the resolution on this corner here, so I will increase the number of segments. Let's keep it 12. Add edit poly modifier. Inset, I will make it 5 centimeter. Delete this and move using the axis constraint and snap. Now select this again, a small inset, 0.5, and delete this. Again, move downward this face, make it 0.4. Border, shift drag. If you want to be precise, I can use snap to pull it up here and then right click and say minus 2.5. Okay, the front viewport, I will choose the vertices and pull these up. Border, cap, now I can add a chamfer modifier, reduce this to like 0.25, something like that. Increase the segments, and that's it for this part. Now for the legs, I'm gonna use a different technique than I used here, since this is a learning material, so you're trying to learn many techniques. So I'm gonna use a cone primitive. Click and drag to set the first radius, release, decide on the height, click, and when you release, when you move the mouse, you can decide the second radius. Now for the first radius, I'm gonna make it 0.5, the second radius 1.2, let's say. I'm gonna rotate it a little bit, so on the y-axis, let's say 4 degrees, on the x -4. Here I will add edit poly, select those edges here and do a chamfer. I'll go back to the cone here. For the height, I will make it 38 centimeter. I should have done this in the beginning, but it's okay. So now I will place the leg here. I will need to do a mirror, copy on the Y, I will attach both of them. Okay, now I will click mirror. I will choose geometry, not transform, geometry on the x-axis. This will add a mirror modifier. Click the mirror gizmo. I will right click, choose midpoint for the snap, activate snap, and move the gizmo here to the middle. And that's it for this tutorial. Hope you like it. If you do, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Thank you.